Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. Mr. Virendra has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, I'm planning to avail some short-term loans. What are the options available? In India, when you really want to avail some short-term loans, many people they go for personal loans, but then personal loans are not really short-term loans where the EMIs goes between anywhere between 12 months to 60 months. So that's not really a short-term loan. If you're looking for a short-term loan, for 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, what do you do? So there are other options which I'm going to discuss in this episode today. The first one is you can opt for payday loan. But this problem here is in payday loans, there are a lot of companies, institutions who have got into, NBFCs who have got into extortion here. They charge daily 1% interest, daily 0.5% interest. I want you to be very careful about it. Any loan where they charge you, 2% monthly interest, it's okay because it's a short-term loan. You're taking it for 15 days, 20 days, it's okay. But if you're taking it for more than 2-3 months, then they should not charge you more than 1.5% monthly because it's a short-term loan. They should not charge you more than that, right? 1.5% monthly means it's about 18% annually. So you need to take care of that. So going for a payday loan where the interest rate is nominal is absolutely fine. The second option you can tap into is you can explore some loan from your employer. If you have a good long-standing relationship with your employer, explore salary advance from your employer. Most of the companies they do, even at Indian Money we do it for our employees, so that's a good option. The third thing is loan against credit card. If you're using credit card, the banks would give you loan against credit card, but be very careful. Some banks would extort you in the name of loan against credit cards. And the fourth option is loan against mutual funds. If you're holding some mutual funds for long term, then you can always explore loan against mutual funds. But then again, limited number of options will get, but then there will be a lien on it, so you can't really sell or dispose them during this period. So, but if you think these mutual funds are going to give good returns in the long run, you can always explore. Then you can also take loan against public provident fund. Plus, you can also explore loan against your insurance policy. That's loan against securities basically. That is something which you can explore from your bank, or you can take it from your insurance company directly. And the seventh one is loan against FD. Loan against FD is something very easy, quick. But if you are availing loan against FD, I want you to know that if your bank is giving you, let's say 7% interest on your FD, then they may charge you about 8% interest on the loan you avail on that. In case if you don't have FD, probably you can tap into those people who have got FDs. Like for example, your father has some FD or your sister has some FD. You can take loan on that FD instead of liquidating their FD and taking out the money. They would just stand as guarantors. So once you pay it back in full, then they can always take back the money. So these are the 7 options you have got, but I want to be extremely careful. That's why we have created a course on Financial Freedom app to guide you on these things. Plus our Financial Freedom coaches would guide you. All you need to do is download Financial Freedom app and watch these courses. That will give you a lot of clarity on how to tap into these loan options available in the market. It's available in Financial Freedom course and other courses as well. And if you need any assistance, you can always post your questions and interact with our coaches. They would guide you to get this loan. And on Financial Freedom app, we have about 60 plus courses on personal finance, career, business, farming, and life skills. And all these courses will change your life. And since you are a viewer of Republic TV, you have an interesting offer. If you enter Republic TV as a referral code in one word, Republic TV, you will get flat 50% discount on the subscription price. So please make use of it, avail this offer today. And as I said, if you have any questions, please post it on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.